Hi guys, today I got 1,000 Robux with a Roblox gift card, and right now I have 6 so far, but when I refresh, 1,006. So we're gonna be doing a shopping spree. So first, I'm gonna go to home, then gonna go to recently played, see all. Because I want to get the admin thingy on Cole's admin house, so then I don't have to keep on doing the parkour to get it. And yeah, here it is. Gonna have perm admin in 3, 2, 1. Alright, continue. Alright. Now we're gonna test it. I'm not gonna waste all my Robux. I'm gonna test it. I need to save Robux. Plus, I also gave my friend one of the codes, because why wouldn't I? You rager. 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 Alright. We're done with this game. Now, I'm gonna go to catalog. I'm gonna buy some stuff. Wait, can I get the ninja animation? Can I get it? Can I get it? Oh, I don't have enough. I do have the cartoony. Oh my god. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to clothing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go to max 5 Robux, cause there's like too many things for like 10,000 Robux and stuff, so yeah. I want something black, only that. What's the best selling one? This one? I have this one, but I had to buy it for 60 Robux. I need new clothes. And still looking. I'll come back to you when I find something I like. Alright guys, I'm back. This is what I want. Alright. I am now gonna wear. Alright. And now I'm gonna go to the pants. Yes, good. Okay. Get back to you when I find something. Alright guys, I found another thing. Alright, purchase completed. Where? Let's see my avatar. I need to take off this thing from my face. Alright. Body. I'm gonna get another face. Catalog. Body parts, faces. Alright. Let's find the one I really like. I know. The Just Trouble, nah. Alright. I am still looking. I think I might get the one I just saw. Where is it? It's not here. It's this just trouble face. Okay. Where? Alright. Let's see my face right now. Let's see how I look right now. I'm gonna take off the spy hat. Body, faces, yawn face. Alright, no, I don't want any head here. Alright, I don't need any of these. Now let's go to packages. Should we just have one animation on now? Alright, I'm gonna go to no, I don't need anything from here. Check out gear. I think I'll get the I Lift 3. Nah, I don't need gear. Okay, face. I'm gonna use snake eyes. And now I think I'm gonna get the no, I don't want the bubbly animation. Actually, I think I should get the bubbly animation. I don't think I would want it, but I'm gonna first I'll see the walk. Yeah, I'm not getting the bubbly animation. I'm happy with the animations I have right now. Okay. Now, let me go to my pants. Pants don't look that good. Not till I should have wear the Adidas kicks. Yeah, and the shirt. Here's the shirt. Body is my left arm. I'm gonna make that one of those. Alright, hankies on my shoulder. Now let me go. Yes, definitely. Hanky back. Should I keep this on? Yeah. Waist, I have my bunny tail. And I look good. Yeah, this is the end of this video, so peace!